Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix Escape from Tarkov when it does not launch, crashes with a Unity error, freezes, shows a black screen, or does not load on Steam. First, make sure Steam is fully closed. Then open Steam again and go to your library. Find Escape from Tarkov in the list. Right-click on it and choose Properties. Click on Installed Files. Then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game and re-download any missing or broken files. This step fixes many launch and crash problems, so let it finish fully. Next, update your graphics driver. Open the NVIDIA app or AMD software, depending on your GPU. Look for the driver update option and install the latest version. If you prefer, you can also go to the official NVIDIA or AMD website and download the newest driver from there. Restart your PC after the update. If you use Discord, open it, go to Settings, then Overlay, and turn off the in-game overlay. This overlay often causes Unity crashes in Escape from Tarkov. After that, try running the game as administrator. If the game still does not work, a reinstall may be needed. Uninstall Escape from Tarkov. Then install the game again from Steam and wait for it to fully download before launching. After reinstalling, launch the game with all background apps closed. In most cases, the game should now start normally without crashing, freezing, or showing a black screen. Thanks for watching.